Welcome back. The High Court has reserved its order on a petition against Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar in Comunidad land grab case. Dilip Parulekar has contended before the court that he has not grabbed the land illegally but has obtained it after paying for that land. The petitioner has alleged that Parulekar had grabbed the land by misusing his powers as minister.
The High Court on Tuesday reserved its order on a petition seeking restoration of a plot of land of Cerula Comunidad allegedly grabbed by Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar. During the hearing, Dilip Parulekar has stated that Cerula Comunidad gave the land to him following Code of Comunidad. He also stated that he has obtained that land after paying value for that land fixed by the government. Dilip Parulekar also alleged that petitioner is also targeting him by filing this case to gain publicity. In reply, petitioner advocate Iris Rodriguez stated that he has filed this petition as Parulekar misused the power being a minister. Petitioner further contended that tourism minister appointed administrator of Comunidad as his officer on special duty with a motive to grab the plot illegally. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Food and Drugs Administration officials have detained 3 persons selling adulterated food packets at KTC bustand in Panaji. Around 200 packets amounting to 20,000 rupees were seized. Officials informed that there was no manufacturing date or any nutritional facts mentioned on the labels. FDA officer informed that manufacturing premises will also be raided. In another raid at Honda, goods worth 45,000 rupees were seized by FDA.
Persons is nearly 200 packets worth rupees 20,000 rupees. These are misbranded शेव पॅकेट्स आसा. हेजे डेट ऑफ पॅकिंग ना आनी हे शिबू शंभू फरसान म्हणून होंडा हेणी पॅक केला. आमी हेज्या वांगडा 3 मनशांक डिटेन केल्ले आसा. आतां मॅन्युफॅक्चरींग प्रिमायसीस सुद्दां आमी आतां रेड करतले ते वचून आनी तेजेरूय एक्शन घेतले आनी हेंचेरूय एक्शन घेतले कित्याक हो सगळो मिसब्रँडेड फूड आर्टिकल्स आसा जे डेट ऑफ पॅकिंग ना आनी हे ना न्यूट्रिशनल फॅक्ट्स तेणी जे न्यूट्रिशन हेजे लेबलिंग रिक्वायरमेंट्स आसा ते हेणी दिल्ले ना हेजेर हो सगळो माल हांवें सीज केला आतां.
However, the laborers detained are unaware about the labeling norms.
हम लोग सर पे लेकर टोपला घूमते हैं साहब, वही है
तो उससे लेके तुम लोग बेचता है?
हाँ साहब, हम लोग को क्या मालूम, गंवार आदमी पढ़ा भी नहीं है, इसके लिए जैसा अभी ये लेबल वो लोग हम लोग देखा तो बोला लेबल है, हम लोग को कोई कुछ नहीं होएगा, लोग बेचता हम लोग इसके लिए साहब. हम लोग को अगर उसमें मालूम होता तो लेता नहीं, हम लोग गरीब आदमी क्या करेगा साहब.
Sushant Pearl for Prudent.
The High Court has questioned South Goa collector as to why he did not comply with the order of State Pollution Control Board to shut down the hotels polluting Kolwa Creek. Petitioner has claimed that Kolwa Creek has been polluted as some local hotels and few residential complexes release their waste and sewage into the creek. The court will hear this matter on Wednesday.
While hearing a matter related to Kolwa Creek pollution, the High Court showed its resentment on collector's refusal to comply order of State Pollution Control Board to shut down those hotels releasing untreated waste and sewage into Kolwa Creek. Pollution Control Board informed the court that collector refused to comply its order, saying that peak tourist season is on and the closure will affect the business. The court directed South Goa collector to reply on Wednesday that why he did not comply to order. Petitioner has also contended that some hotels and few residential complexes have still not set up sewage treatment plant as instructed by the High Court earlier. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The High Court has disposed of a petition related with implementation of biometric attendance system in Margaon Municipal Council. While disposing the petition, the court directed Directorate of Municipal Authority to take a final call in this regard. Employees are opposing to make biometric attendance system mandatory as they have to go to field work most of the time. The High Court has directed DMA to hear both the parties and find out an amicable solution. It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.